I'm so excited to show you some features of our cloth apron. This one is a red color and it's 100% cotton, fully lined, which means it's great if you want water absorption for your activities. It has a really soft elastic neck, not the elastic you expect. This is soft, feels good against the skin, latex-free, made in the USA, safe, elastic. And the hook and loop closure, see how it closes in the middle? This allows the child to see where they're closing it when they close it. When you open it up, you can see that this is, first of all, these are rounded corners. No pokey hook and loop sticking out to bother the child. And this piece is longer than this piece. That's on purpose because we want it to be able to be larger for children with large torsos or smaller for children with small torsos. They can adapt. And so because of this and the other size features of this apron, it works with most children between the ages of 3 and 6. Really great apron. You're just gonna love it.